Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add music and upload shorts on YouTube from PC. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to youtube.com, and from here just of course sign in into your account, and from here just simply upload your shorts. So just simply click on create over here, and after that click on upload video, and from there just simply click on drag the video, or you can just simply select files manually. And from here, I have a short here. So just simply do the usual process when uploading a short. Provide a title, a description, and a thumbnail. And from there, just simply provide the necessary information and just do the usual process when uploading a video. And now on the visibility tab, just go for unlisted first and go to save. And after that, once you have uploaded it, just simply go to shorts over here. And now just simply select your short. So let's say this is my short over here. Click on it. And after that, you should be able to see here on the left side editor. So click on that and you should be able to see here audio. So click on the audio. So guys, from here, you should be able to select multiple music that you can add, or you can just simply go for audio library. And after that, as you can see, you should be able to see here multiple music. So once you have selected your music, just star it or add star. And now when we go to the video editor, we should be able to see here the star tab. And as you can see, when we go to the start, we should be able to add it over here. And that's simply about it. Just simply click on save once you are done. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.